The other aspect of psoriasis that people don't really talk about is the depression that comes along with it. It can be profound. It's not just I have a little bit of psoriasis and I don't want to show my friends, but it can impact jobs, it can impact social interaction, and there's a lot of research going on now looking at psoriasis in young people to see how it might impact their lives. And there's good science from registry studies. A researcher looked at the registry in Massachusetts of just the registry of motor vehicle registries, births and deaths registry, and found that people with psoriasis have a higher divorce rate. They have higher problems, so they have more problems with crime. So there's a lot of social stuff that needs to be addressed in psoriasis, as well as just clearing their skin. So one of the things we look at nowadays with respect to psoriasis is not only can we clear the skin, but can we help this person deal better in life, both in their social aspects of their life, but in their medical aspects of their life too.